Aretian was founded in 2018, right after a colleague of mine, Jeremy Burke, and I finished a joint thesis at Harvard on city science and urbanism. Our thesis was based in modeling by means of artificial intelligence and complex systems approaches, cities and urban environments as three-dimensional digital network systems. Our model allowed us to evaluate the quality of different urban environments and the quality of different urban development strategies and benchmark against one another. That provided the groundbreaking foundational base for our company to be launched. Aretian provides urban analytics and design boutique services to both public administration and private clients around the world. We work with city governments, metropolitan agencies, real estate developers, universities, technology firms to shape urban design and economic development strategies for their own projects. We also provide software development services for institutions to improve the quality of their decision-making processes when it comes to both urban development, urban and architectural design, and economic development strategies. And we've been developing studies of urban environments and cities around the world. We've been covering, in a recent study, 100 metropolitan areas worldwide, including the major cities in Europe, as well as the major global metropolitan areas around the world, including New Delhi, Cairo, Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Osaka. What makes our offering unique within the industry is that we've been able to replicate in a three-dimensional manner the morphological features of cities as well as the economic and human systems that inhabit them, right? So that allows us to compare and contrast in terms of urban performance, not only the quality of the architectural and urban design features and civil engineering infrastructure, but also the impact that those systems have in the quality of life of citizens. So to what extent cities are able to provide the 50-minute city quality standards, to what extent cities are able to shape a prosperous knowledge economy, to what extent cities are able to create an efficient intermodal mobility system. We're able to model those urban systems and compare and contrast them with one another, therefore having both urban diagnostics and helping shape the design and the development strategies that are tailored for each and every city and context. So a couple of projects that are representative of our work. Monterrey Innovation District in Mexico was an effort by the private university to shape an innovation ecosystem around the university campus. And what we were able to do was to evaluate by means of artificial intelligence, complex systems, and machine learning what were the urban conditions near the university campus and what were the right type of urban design, levels of density, building form, building massing, space programming, distribution of activities and zoning that would help support the generation and nurturing of a successful innovation district in Monterrey Tech. We've been working with the city of Barcelona in order to shape the urban regeneration process for 140 hectares in the eastern part of the city, in an area that has been neglected for the last 30 or 40 years, and contribute to the urban regeneration of 5 industrial clusters that became obsolete in recent years. We've been able not only to come up with a very detailed, rigorous understanding of the quality of the pre-existing urban environment, infrastructure environment, and economic base, but also how to shape the proper street design, architectural design, morphological design, zoning, placemaking, activity programming for the future innovation district to become a thriving and successful knowledge economy environment in Barcelona. Our city science methodologies provide some sort of an X-ray of an urban environment, as if we were the doctors of the city, so that we can tailor the design and decision-making for an urban development project to that specific site, context, and moment. We've been able to evaluate to what extent the different urban environments satisfy the 15-minute city standards worldwide and extract what are the main strategies that help adhere or fulfill the 15-minute city quality standards. We're able to identify what are the key industries and economic networks that operate in a given city, provide concrete recommendations to strengthen the knowledge economy locally, and to inform smart specialization strategies and innovation development strategies for that given city and moment. Aretian's aspirations for the years to come are primarily to shape high-quality urban design and economic development projects tailored for the needs of citizens in different cities and metropolitan areas worldwide. We are working towards consolidating software packages and software offerings for urban development leaders to improve the quality of their decision-making in terms of the design strategies they need to pursue, the economic development opportunities that they can take advantage of, as well as tailoring the decision-making processes challenges that they will have to be addressing in coming years to the needs of the citizens and their constituents.